here are 3 Goodman heat pumps at a hotel in Ecuador, in Quevedo. These 2 are running, but they're both extremely quiet. So quiet. Here's a big one right here. I couldn't even tell that any of these units were running. And this is a really small one. There's its compressor down there. And it must be a straight cool unit because I can't really see anything in there. Maybe it would say if it's a straight cool or heat pump, but I'm guessing all of these are straight cool units. And they're powered by complex cold compressors. Goodman company from Houston, Texas. It doesn't really say. Doesn't say if this is a straight cool unit or a heat pump, but I think that's a reversing valve, so I think, actually I don't know if this is a straight, I can't really tell if this is a straight cool unit or a heat pump. These 2 right here are straight cool units probably. It's a new refrigerant. I wonder if it says doesn't really say either. And this one, I'm not sure. I think this one is probably a heat pump. So here it is. And there's that big one. This is to prove how quiet these units really are. These 2 right here are running. This one isn't running, but I could see its compressor in there. Units are so quiet. I think this one is a little bit noisier. Yeah, this one is a little bit noisier. Sometimes the pumps are actually quieter than the smaller ones. So there they are running. And hope you enjoyed the video. Out.